What's up, fam? Welcome back to our channel.
If this is the first time you visit us, please make sure to subscribe.
And today we're at
Wild, Florida.
And you see us in the car, but it's because we're doing a drive-through safari. Please make sure to stay until the end so you can see all that we're gonna be doing today. Let's go.
First time we ever meet, you make the time fly slow, slow, just like slow rivers flow, slow. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes me feel, it takes me high, so bring it on the dance floor. Baby, you better start this right, I'm losing it, I can't control this, must be love. Cause tonight I'm naughty, naughty. Dance with me like it's my party. We go wild, we are in safari. Come on boy, move that body. Cause tonight I'm naughty, naughty. Dance with me like it's my.
So when we get here, you may buy your tickets online. And at the entrance they give you this. It's a safari park scavenger hunt. So you mark all the animals you've seen. So far we haven't seen a lot that appear here. So I'm looking forward to finding them all. What about you?
I just want to see the giraffes.
Giraffes? They have camels.
Giraffes.
Giraffes. They have camels. We've seen a lot of ostriches. What else? Bisons.
I would like to have a 4-track.
True. Here? This is big.
Let's see what we see.
Safari, keep your eyes on me. I know you know the only one who's watching me. When all the night stars glow, glow, we dance among them slow, slow. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes me feel, it takes me high, so bring it on the dance floor. Baby, you better start this right, I'm losing it, I can't control this, must be love, love. Come on boy, move that body, cause tonight I'm naughty, naughty. Dance with me like it's my party. We go wild, we are in safari. Come on boy, move that body, cause tonight I'm naughty, naughty. Dance with me like it's my party. We go wild, we are in safari. Ay, ay, ay. Come on boy, move that body, cause tonight I'm naughty, naughty. Dance with me like it's my party. We go wild, we are in safari. Come on boy, move that body. Come on boy, move that body. We go wild, we are in safari.
Another thing you can do here, you pay and you can feed giraffes. Here we have George. They're super friendly. They only ask that you don't pet them, but they give you like 3 pieces of food for them, and they come here like really close to you. so you can actually give them the food. It is really nice.
I come from Mississippi and I'm out of town. Feel my vibe, feel it tonight. To Mississippi and the second round. I just wanna feel this alright. I don't wanna let go no more. I don't wanna go home no more. Till we can sound this low and we dance into the daylight. I'm rich if you're mine, I don't need that. Dollar bill, I can feel the love you got.
So here we can see the macaw and cockatoo aviary.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Gasolina, burn it up. Gasolina.
Like different areas here. As you saw, we were in the Drive Thru Safari. We saw the giraffes. And now we're in an area that is like a park. It has a lot of animals, and we are walking on a swamp right now. There's like a boardwalk on top of a swamp. It's pretty cool. We recommend it. You guys can come visit it. If you're a Florida resident, you get a discount. But it's really nice. Look at this.
I come to Mississippi, put my high heels on. Be my vibe, feel it tonight. Don't need cash cause I got you now. It's Saturday and the night is young. I don't wanna let go no more. I don't wanna go home no more. Till we get sound is low and it fades into the daylight. I'm rich if you're mine, I don't need that.
I tell Valeria all the time that I'm not scared of nothing, but actually alligators, I'm scared of falling into a lake that has an alligator there. Okay, we're about to see an owl.
Goes ow, 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 but there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. What the fox say? What the fox say? Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly host, will you communicate by more?
So when we entered the safari, they told us that this ticket includes also this part, that's the different animals, the Gator Park. Here they have different shows where they feed the alligators and the crocodiles. They have when they feed other types of wild animals. So if you have the time, you can come here, spend the whole day with your family, and it's pretty nice and pretty affordable too.
So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoy and like the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ciao.